Welcome back to our new video. Non-vegetarian food is very essential for health. Chicken plays an important role in satisfying all the required nutrients. Chicken is the rich source of protein, calcium, amino acid, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, magnesium and other important nutrients. Not all type of chicken is healthier for health. Especially boiler chicken is very dangerous for human health. Boilers are feeding harmful chemicals and antibiotics with their food. This only helps them to grow faster with 40 days. Eating boiler chicken regularly can cause various dangerous effects on your health. Now we are going to see the boiler chicken side effects. Number 1. Can cause cancer. States that eating boiler chicken cooked at high temperature can have the chance of causing cancer. Especially males have more chance of causing prostate cancer. Kindly aware of that and do not cook any meat at high temperature. Nowadays, people are crazy about grilled chicken. Grilled chickens are cooked at high temperature and it is very dangerous to health. Number 2. Bacteria. Most poultry farm and boiler chicken has deadly bacteria in itself. Getting fresh and hygienic meat is very important. This is because the bacteria present in the boiler chicken can cause many health problems. Number 3. Most dangerous than cigarettes. Eating grilled and tandoori boiled chicken is very dangerous to health. Eating them can cause hazard more than cigarette smoking. The protein molecules in the boiled chicken can change and will cause dangerous health problems when cooked at high temperature. Number 4. Unhealthy fats. Boiled chicken contains unhealthy fats which are not good for a healthy person. Regular consumption of boiled chicken can cause problems like obesity, high blood pressure, heart problems, etc. So stop consuming boiled chickens and go for healthy country chicken meat. Number 5. Harmful chemical content. Boilers are injected with harmful chemicals, antibiotics, and growth hormones to get high meat production and gain weight. Eating them will cause a dangerous effect on the health. This can cause the problems like obesity, male fertility problems, early puberty in female, etc. Number 6. Large amount of antibiotics. To prevent disease and get rapid growth, boilers are injected with antibiotic drugs. A recent study states that eating boiler chicken thrice a week is equal to taking 3 antibiotic injections. Number 7. Male infertility. Male infertility problem is the common problem seen nowadays. Consuming boiled chicken is one of the important reasons for that. The chemicals present in the boiled chicken destroys the sperm count in male and cause them impotent. Males are advised to eat country chicken and other meat instead of boiled chicken. Boilers are neutral in gender. They cannot have the compatibility to lay eggs, active movement, etc. Please follow up our Facebook page, link in the description. If you interest our video, please like, share, comments and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Coming up soon the next video.